The videos that I shot before this didn't record any audio, so I'm doing it again all over. Well, this is the DSA journey that we will start. So, and I have compiled at least 25 questions that you can, I think many of you already have did, found those on the internet or Instagram or whatever. But the aspects that are lacking in those are there are not, your logic is not fitting properly. So I have like, I am also on a journey to finish completing my DSA. So this is where I'm starting. And this is a series of questions that I will just go in and just so let's just go with the first question of this list, what we will be thinking of. The question is find the minimum element in its and its index in an array. Okay, so array is like this is our array, and then for storing the max number we initiate a variable named max. After that, for storing its index we initiate a variable named index, or for experimenting with the index we initiate this one, and for the max index this is the one that will store the max index of the variable. Then we initiate the for loop in array that is a iterable, it is a list. For firstly I will take the value of the zeroth element, that is 25, and then so on it will continue, and the value of the index will increase as the loop progresses, and then it comes under if max is less than I. Okay, max is initiated 0, and max is definitely less than I in the first iteration, so the value of the I will go to the max. Okay, and then max index will it will take the whatever, whenever this condition becomes true, max index will take the value of the index while subtracting 1, because the index starts from the 0, and here in the first iteration only the value of the index has become 1. Oh, sorry. The value of the index has become 1, so we need to subtract it by 0 to get the accurate index that we are taking of here. So, and that's just how high the program goes. And on the last element, okay, for the reassurance, here I'll put the another element, okay? And if we just hit the run here, so as you can see, the max number in the list is 100 and its index is 5. Even though I put here 99, it doesn't go next to that. It will just stop at the 100 because this is where the condition we gave it to stop. And in the last, after all this is done, if array at max index, the value of the max index is 5. If element in the array at the index 5 is equals max, the value of the max is 100. Okay, then yeah, that's correct because the array at the element index 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. So this condition is true, and that's how we are getting the printed statement. That's the question one for you. Okay. So yeah.